Buttons on the right are the power button, foreign language button, and native language button, from top to bottom. The volume buttons and SIM card slot are on the left. Press and hold the power button to turn on the device. Press and hold the power button again to select shutdown or restart. Press and hold the power button for 20 seconds to force restart the translator if an error occurs. For first-time use, activate the device by following the interface instructions, which take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once activated, you can download language packages in a Wi-Fi environment. After downloading, you can use offline AI engine for those languages without internet restrictions. In any interface, you can tap the icon in the upper left corner to go back, or swipe right from the left edge of the screen to return to the previous menu. Swipe down on the status bar at the top of the screen to bring up the shortcut settings bar. The language for the foreign language button and the native language button can be set on the home page. Click One-Click Translation to select the languages and accents. Press and hold the red button, native language button, to speak, and release it to see and hear the translation. Hold the blue button, foreign language button, for the other person to speak. In the screen-off state, you can press any translation buttons to directly activate the one-click translation mode and start speaking. Click the icon in the lower left corner to enter landscape translation mode. Do not press the translation button in landscape mode. Click the red icon on the screen to start speaking and click again to stop. Click the blue icon for the other person to start speaking, and click again to stop. Click Chat Translation. Select the languages and accents and place the translator between the two speakers. Click Start for a conversation. Place the translator in front of the speaker, and click the recorder icon to start recording and real-time translation. Click their photo translation and select the language. Click the camera icon, and the translator will automatically scan and translate the text. Click Save in the upper right corner to save the translated photos in the album. Click the lower left corner to view the photo translation records. Click in the lower right corner to switch between the original and target texts. Click Setting. Download the offline language packages in advance in a Wi-Fi environment to use offline translation. Translation for a total of 31 languages is available. Turn on offline translation on the home page to use the function in one-click translation, chat translation, and listen mode.